Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Do More Life. My name is Jeremy Clodfelter, and I am here to teach you travel fun and education. And today, we're going to be talking about how to have fun and that educational part, because I make this green juice, is what I call it. It's not really a 100% green juice, but it is green when I drink it, and I drink it on the live streams that I have on Saturday mornings. Many people ask, what all does it have in it, and where can I get some, etc., etc. How can I make one? So what I did was got all the products out, and now I'm going to show you how I make it. First, this is just a 5 bottle of drinking water. I poured about this much water out of it, so that I can make room for the chlorophyll that I'm going to put in it. So that's step one. And then after that, it really comes down to just literally putting the ingredients in. So I start with this stuff. This is like a vitamin C tablet. I don't know, you guys may be able to see all the stuff that it has on here. I'm not 100% sure if it's going to focus or not. But there's a lot of tons and tons of vitamin C, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, vitamin H, folic acid, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. So I'm definitely getting a good healthy dose. I think that's one reason why I haven't been sick, like having the flu kind of sick since I've been here. And all I do is open the pack. Obviously there's one in the pack, one tablet in the pack. Well, there's 15 in the pack, but I'm only going to take out one. And then I take and break it in half like this so it'll fit into my water bottle. Drop it in the water bottle. Drop the other half in the water bottle. And you can see them, they're starting to dissolve already right in here. Then I'll take this. This is Interpharma Probiotic with a 7 on it. I don't know what that means, but basically it's just a lactic acid probiotic. Very good for your digestive health. And I'll just take and pour that in there. It has virtually no taste, so you don't have to worry about it being nasty or anything. And with as much stuff as I put in here, you don't really have to worry about whether or not it tastes bad. There's 2 kinds of dehydration mix you can get that I'm aware of here. One is for like if you've had diarrhea or something like that. The other is for performance, like after you sweat a lot working out. I have them both, but today I chose the one that would be best for you guys if you're like, this is also really, really good if you have a hangover or something like that. And I feel like a lot of people that watch my channel probably experienced the hangover, and I think this would be the better option. So just carefully tear it right here and then little corner, because you don't want to make a big rip in it. So you want to take it and open it up a little bit like this. I always just make sure I got a decent size hole right there. Take it to my water and voila. Pour it all in, and you usually won't spill a drop. So that's gone. Then I take my chlorophyll, and this stuff is just chlorophyll with a couple of green things added to it. They're all written in Thai, but I looked them up one day. I can't remember what all it is, but it's all kinds of plant leaf stuff. So I take the chlorophyll. Open the bottle, and I just pour a small amount into the green juice. Maybe just a little bit more than that. Yep. About roughly 2 tablespoons, I would say, is more than enough. Then I take my bottle, make sure the lid's on good and tight, turn it upside down to get those 2 halves of the peels off the bottom. Shake it up a little bit. And there, ladies and gentlemen, you have the green juice. Now, it needs a little more time to mix because the water in it's very cold. So what I do is shake it for a few minutes, put it in the freezer while I'm getting ready in the mornings, and let it get a little bit icy. And I really drink a lot of it because it's very, very good for you, very healthy, great way to start the day. And I hope that helps you guys. I hope you've had a small bit of education this morning. I will once again throw the products back up in front of the camera for you, and hopefully you can see them one at a time. There's one. This is a probiotic. This is the dehydration powder. And this is the chlorophyll. So, if you haven't learned anything else today, you've learned a little bit more about doing more life. And that was my goal. Thanks, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.